How to log into Discord with Token. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Discord with your token. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is head over to your discord.com. Open up a web browser and then go to discord.com. After you do that, you'll then need to head over to this login option that is on the top right. Press on it and you should see this login page open up from Discord. After you're here, what you'll then need to do is tap on the three dots on the top right. So scroll down right here, you'll see more tools. Hover over there and you'll see the pop-ups here. Head over to developer tools. After you do that, you'll then need to head over to this application option. So head over to the application right here from the top. And then you will see this section here. Head over to local storage, expand on that, tap on discord.com. Then after you're here, scroll down and at the bottom right here, double press here on this key option, type in token, hit enter, then go to the next section, double tap and simply paste your token right here. After you paste your token there, you can then press Ctrl plus R key to reload the page or simply reload it from here. After you do that, you will then be logged in into your account. Now, since I don't have a token right now, I cannot log in, but if you have it, paste it right here, then you'll be logged in into your account. And that's how easy it is, and that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.